how to withdraw money from crypto.com to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from your crypto.com to bank account. So in order to begin with, check your internet connection and also make sure that you have already linked your bank account to crypto.com. So then to begin with the procedure, first thing first, you'll need to open up or log into your crypto.com. After you're logged into your crypto.com, select the icon located right in center. On the other page, you'll need to go ahead and select crypto wallet. So after you click on crypto wallet, next page, you'll need to go ahead and sell your cryptocurrencies. So unless and until you don't sell your cryptocurrency, you won't be able to transfer the funds to your bank account. So after that, after you've done selling your cryptocurrency, you'll need to go ahead and you'll need to go ahead and select fiat wallet. So you have to access your fiat wallet. Next thing you need to do is properly configure your fiat wallet. Selling your crypto coin does not help, since you have to make sure your wallet is set up. The fiat balance for the coin sold should reflect on your wallet. You have the option to changing it back to the coin as well. And once you've done that, after that you need to select transfer. So tap the arrow icon located right on top. After that, you need to choose the bank account of your choice where you actually want to withdraw. So once you're done selecting the bank account, enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer. Make sure to select the currency type as well. And once you're done with confirming your information, click on withdrawal, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to complete the withdrawal process. So lastly, you'll have to go through all of the information. So if you're sure about it, then click on the confirm button, and then you've successfully withdrawn money from crypto.com to bank account. So in this way, you can withdraw money from crypto.com to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.